Raffy Drawings. Draw with me. This is a unicorn. Are you ready to draw? Start. Unicorns are like horses, but they have a long, sharp horn in the middle of their foreheads that shines like a rainbow. They are very special because they are the only animals in the world with a magical horn. This horn can do amazing things, like healing wounds and turning water into magic water. Unicorns are also known for being sweet and kind. They love to live in enchanted forests and play with butterflies and fairies. Soft, colorful fur like a rainbow, and their mane is always shiny and bright. But there is a very important thing to know about unicorns. They are very shy and hard to find. They often hide among the trees and only show themselves to people with good hearts. fortune to meet a unicorn, remember to be kind and respectful because they are very special creatures that bring a little magic into our world. Are you a good kid? Then help Raffy the dinosaur. Raffy the dinosaur needs you. To make him happy, give the video a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.